Feeling overwhelmed by fashion's constant evolution? Discover how seasonal trends can simplify your style journey. Seasonal trends act as a cheat sheet, guiding us on what to wear and when. Whether you love timeless staples or bold pieces, there's always something fresh to explore. For autumn, the high waist, open split, pocket denim skirt combines practicality with on-trend flair. Fashion isn't just about clothes, it's about timing and aligning with the seasons. Spring-summer brings lightweight fabrics, breezy silhouettes, and brighter colors. Think flowy dresses, sandals, and pastel palettes that match blooming flowers. Fall-winter focuses on cozy fabrics, deeper tones, and functional outerwear. Chic vintage, denim women's jeans for autumn 2024 offer warm, stylish options for chilly days. Fashion operates like a revolving door. What's old often becomes new again. Designers blend retro ideas with modern aesthetics, creating unique styles. Climate, culture, and consumer mood all influence seasonal trends. Weather dictates practicality. No wool coats in July or linen in December. Major events like award shows or global sports can shape fashion trends. Consumer emotions drive trends. Sleek silhouettes in uncertain times. Playful prints in optimistic ones. Understanding these influences helps you make intentional fashion choices. As temperatures drop, fall-winter trends offer bold yet practical styles. This season's colors mirror nature: burnt oranges, deep reds, olive greens, and earthy browns. Patterns like classic plaids and retro houndstooth prints blend nostalgia with updated style. Textured fabrics like velvets and chunky knits add cozy charm. Key pieces include oversized scarves, chunky knitwear, and leather pants or skirts. Cropped blazers and tassel-adorned pieces elevate your fall wardrobe. Footwear trends feature chunky boots and pointed-toe ankle boots. Capes and oversized puffer jackets dominate outerwear trends. Spring-summer trends embrace bright colors and light fabrics like cotton, linen, and chiffon. Popular styles include oversized silhouettes, cutouts, asymmetry, and maxi dresses. Wide-leg pants offer a fresh alternative to skinny styles. Accessories like straw hats, chunky sunglasses, and statement jewelry complete the look. Strappy sandals and chunky platform slides are the go-to footwear for warmer months. Mixing old and new pieces brings balance and saves money. Choosing versatile items ensures your wardrobe works harder for you. Fashion is your playground. Experiment and find what makes you feel confident.